if you have issues with mobile data not working properly on OnePlus 15R, here's what you can do. So first we're gonna go to settings and just go to mobile network. In here we can of course make sure that mobile data is enabled, and if it is already enabled you can just turn it off and turn it back on just in case. Sometimes in simple disable and enable option allows you to fix some of the issues. Besides that, if you have two SIMs, then of course you might want to check which SIM is used for mobile data. If you, for example, don't have mobile data plan on that other SIM that you have, then of course you will not have access to mobile data, so just check if the proper SIM is enabled for the default data SIM option. We can also find options such as allow mobile data switching, which you might want to disable so that the phone does not try to switch to the other SIM. And of course we have use mobile data during calls, which itself shouldn't really cause any issues, of course, but you might want to, for example, turn it off if you want to use Wi-Fi instead, and if you have issues with call when you do use mobile data. Now, besides that, we can of course go to the SIM card settings, and one of the things that you can check is of course the preferred network type. Although it is not really necessary to use 5G connections, it is just recommended to do so if you have that option. If you don't want to use it for some reason, you can just turn it on temporarily in order to see if that makes any difference. You can also try to use the 2G connection temporarily at least as well in order to see if that makes any difference, although rarely it does, but you know, just in case you can try to use it and see if that helps. Now, another thing that is worth mentioning is in the system and update. So if we go to system and update in settings, then we should be able to go to the backup and reset, then over here go to the reset phone, and then here we can find reset network and Bluetooth settings. And over here we can reset these three things, so Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. And unfortunately we cannot separate it. So if you decide to reset these settings, then you will need to go to Wi-Fi settings in order to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network, and also you will have to go to Bluetooth in order to, of course, pair your Bluetooth devices again. But after that, you want to go to mobile data settings and make sure that mobile data is properly set up, that it is enabled and the correct SIM is chosen in case you have multiple SIMs. Now, another thing that we can mention is in more settings, and that is the private DNS. If you made some changes in here, then you might want to switch back to automatic, and also VPN. If you use some sort of VPN, then of course this can be the reason why you have issues with mobile data as well. Although VPN usually of course VPNs work with Wi-Fi as well, but you know, if you do use VPN, then you might want to turn it off and see if that helps. And keep in mind that in some cases your operator or service provider might have issues on their end, so they might have some outages, maybe their service might not work or something, maybe there are some issues with the signal, so there's pretty much not much that you can do with your phone or on your phone in order to fix those issues, and you just have to patiently wait for these issues to be resolved. You can of course try to contact your operator or service provider in order to ask them if they indeed have some issues with outages or something, or you can try to Google that information if you have the way to do so. Now, last but not least, you can of course also perform a simple reset of the phone. So you can go to the power menu by using the power and volume up button, and then over here we can just restart our phone, and sometimes resetting the phone or restarting it, actually rebooting it, can be quite helpful as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.